3 months ago, I started a YouTube channel about code. I didn't finish the first course, I uploaded it to it. In the same stretch of time, I built a Mac app, sold exactly one copy of it, and almost convinced myself that was a complete failure until I found out who bought it. This is video 1. Here's actually where I am. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Nabil. By day, I'm a software engineer in a big company with a 9 to 5 job, and at night and weekends, I build some cool apps. Right now, what I'm building is a desktop app called Clingfy. 3 months ago, I started this channel in Arabic teaching Flutter. The plan was so simple: ship a course, grow team.dev into a real site with assignments and a small community, and also build a teaching business on the side. So I shipped multiple videos. I didn't finish the course. It wasn't laziness actually. Teaching as a market is just hard, especially in a language where ad rates are low and audience expect things to be free. I learned a lot, but the math didn't math actually. So last week I posted what is for now the last video on this channel in Arabic, and today I'm switching languages and I'm switching topics as well to what I'm actually spending my nights on, building a SaaS while working a 9 to 5. So here's the thing about Clingfy. It didn't start as a startup actually. I started it because I needed it. So when I was recording the Arabic tutorials, I couldn't find a screen recorder that did exactly what I wanted actually. Clean audio, a file format I could actually edit, and a workflow that didn't make me want to throw my Mac in the ocean. So what I did was, and yes, as you might expect it, I just built one with only 3 features: screen recording, audio capture, and export functionality as well. And that was only version 1. Then I kept needing more and more. So I needed auto zoom on the cursor because the screen recorder at 1080 on a 4K display is basically unreadable. I needed my face in the corner with a real shape and a border, not the default macOS bubble. I also needed system audio capture separately from the mic so I could remix later. Okay guys, so I just want to show you the difference while recording and having this option deactivated, and then I will play the same video and activate this option, the system audio option. So let's start without it. So as you can see, there is no sound actually. And now I'm playing the same video again with this system audio option activated. Let's see.
A lot has changed in the AI coding world, and a big question I'm getting is, am I still using Claude Code?
I needed to pause a recording without ending it. So I built all of that. Clingfy today is a screen recorder with cursor auto zoom, a camera overlay with shapes and borders and chroma key, an audio mixer, manual zoom timeline, and a native preview player. Mac only for now. I'll talk about the Windows port in a future video because that's its own story actually. The product is live. It's on the internet. You can buy it today. And until last week, it had made me $0. Last week, something happened that I wanted to tell you about properly, because I think it's the actual reason why I'm switching to English and I'm not waiting another 6 months actually. A friend of mine, Mustafa, he runs an account called Coder Story on Instagram, as you can see on the screen, said he wanted to test Clingfy. Just look at it, send me feedback. So I sent him a build, he played with it for a few days, sent me a list of things he liked, a few things to fix, just normal beta tester stuff. Then, a few days later, I'm doing something else entirely, and my phone buzzes, a Stripe notification. And yes, someone had just bought Clingfy. Now, $10 is not a lot of money, but it was the first time the app had charged anyone. The first real Stripe receipt with my product on it, and I'm staring at my phone trying to figure out who it was. Because at this stage, I basically know every person who's looked at the app. So who's this? And 2 hours later, my phone buzzes again. What's up? It's Mustafa again. And he bought it. He didn't have to. He'd already tested it for free. He'd already given me feedback. He paid the $10 and he didn't tell me. He let me see it as a stranger first. So I want to be clear because this is the part that mattered. It wasn't about the $10. It was about a friend who watched me grinding on this thing in the background for months and decided to be the first line on the Stripe dashboard on purpose, quietly actually. That's the moment this channel became real because I realized if I'm gonna do this for 2 more years, I wanted to do it in public with people watching instead of alone. So here's what this channel is starting now. So I'm going to build Clingfy in public. Every month, I'm going to post the revenue numbers even when they are embarrassing, especially actually when they are embarrassing. Besides that, I'm gonna break down the tech stack and also show you the marketing I try, what works and what wastes a weekend. And I will talk about the part almost nobody on Indie Hacker YouTube talks about. How do you do this with a 9 to 5 job? When do you actually code? How do you not burn out? And how do you ship something on Sunday night and still show up to stand up on Monday? Most build in public creators are full-time founders actually. I'm not. And I'm guessing most people watching this aren't either. Here's a preview of what's coming. The full Clingfy tech stack teardown, Flutter on the front, Swift native engine on the back. And why that combination? And also a side project that I've been quietly working on that I will reveal in the next few weeks. There will be a real marketing experiment, probably Reddit or Product Hunt, not sure yet, with the actual numbers afterward, not the created version. And the most important part is the first monthly revenue update, and eventually, mistakes I made launching Clingfy in retrospective with no spin. If any of that sounds like something you want to watch in real time, not the highlight reel, the actual thing, hit the subscribe button. There is a link to Clingfy in the description below if you want to look at it. And if you've ever been the person who quietly bought friends' first thing, thank you. You have no idea what that does actually. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.